Ever worry about food spoilage during a power outage? Imagine having 126 superfoods that last for years. Introducing the Lost SuperFoods Book, your ultimate solution. Learn to make the U.S. Doomsday Ration for just 37 cents. Discover how Leningrad survived World War II with a powerful superfood. Explore shelf-stable foods rich in healthy fats. Get recipes for long-lasting bread and fermented soup. Preserve eggs and meats without refrigeration. Master economical and effective food stockpiling. Prepare your family with the Lost Superfoods Essential Guide. Get started and ensure you're ready for any food emergency.